Without Allison nearby to keep them on track, Angus became distracted. And then eventually, downright careless.
I'm so sorry. Literally, it's like I lost consciousness. The next thing I know, I just hear the soaring sound, and that was it. I'm so sorry, man.
It is what it is. Like, we can't do anything about it now.
Oh my goodness, guys.
I don't even know what happened. Like, my eyes just glazed over. Yeah, there's just a graveyard of my failure down there.
Losing the food isn't your only consequence. We also have to remove a quarter of your floor.
Oh, God, no!